So in this video we'll be learning how to make a butter chicken biryani. You can put butter chicken masala as well, but this is purely butter chicken. So we made a nice butter chicken. So on the bottom of the pan I put a spoon of ghee and then put the butter chicken sauce and few pieces. Now adding some fried onions, bit of coriander leaf. If you want to add mint, you can add mint as well. Just break and put it. Some green chilli and ginger. And now I'm arranging some boiled egg. So ideally 3 to 4 eggs lined on the bottom, on the base. And now putting the rice. The rice, it's made like a Pilaf rice. You can follow the recipe on the link. How to make the Pilaf rice. Just put some ghee on top of the rice. Around 1 tablespoon, I can say. Sprinkle a bit fried onions. Now do one more layer of chicken and the sauce. So repeat the same thing what we did on the bottom. Egg, fried onion, coriander leaf, green chilli and ginger, and finish with one more layer of rice and sauce, the leftover sauce on the top. So now top of it some more ghee, so around 1 tablespoon, and I'm sprinkling with some water. So now it's ready. Sprinkle with water. The water gives the steam for the biryani to get done, and I'm going to cover, give it on a high heat for a minute, and then cook it slowly on a very low heat for 15 minutes. Now it's ready after 15 minutes and 10 minutes of resting. We just open it. Nicely done. Now slowly we can mix it. So now I'm going to serve it in a nice bowl. Take the biryani with the sauce and some normal rice on the top, egg. So now finish with garnish of ginger julienne. If you have mint leaf you can put, or coriander leaf, and then sprinkle fried onions on the top. Ready to serve.